welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. So as you can see from the title, because you have clicked on it, today I'm doing another House of CB haul. I absolutely love House of CB. House of CB for me are that brand that if I'm going on a night out and I want a 10 out of 10 outfit, I want something that fits me amazing, I want something that I feel absolutely fabulous and just super glamming, House CB is that site I will go to. So their clothing is a little bit more pricier and a little bit more on sort of the higher end of spectrums, but honestly girls, they are so worth it. I really do think it is nice to sort of treat yourself every now and again. You know, if you've got that special occasion that you're going to and you want a really beautiful dress, you know, it does show and it is worth it with their items. But anyway, we will get into that all in the haul. But before we do get into all of that good stuff, I did just want to mention to you and let you know about a watch company that I'm absolutely obsessing over at the moment. You guys know I love a good watch and I always get asked so many questions about watches. It's from a brand called Nordgreen. So I'm going to insert a clip with more details of the watch so it's up close, because obviously it's on my wrist at the moment, so you can get a bit of a better picture and idea of what the actual watch it looks like. You can see it is this beautiful, stunning rose gold watch, actually called the Native Rose Gold Mesh watch. Beautiful white face, also rose gold dials on it. I really love this one as well because the sizing isn't too big and it's not too small. It's really that sort of medium sized watch, so it doesn't look like overly massive on your wrist, because sometimes watches on myself can look a little bit over big and sometimes they can look a little bit too small. Like, it's that happy medium of watches. So yeah, let me just tell you a little bit more details about the watch as well and about the brand, just in case you are like, who is Nordgreen, what do they do, what watches are they, where are they based? So basically Nordgreen is a watch brand based in Copenhagen, and honestly they produce the most stunning, beautiful watches. The guy that actually designs their watches is called Jacob Wagner, and he is a B&O designer, so all of the watches are designed by himself. Really does show that obviously a really good designer has gone behind the scenes and made these watches, because they just look stunning, they really do. The design of the watches themselves are a typical Scandinavian design, hence obviously Copenhagen based company. Of 3 designs of the watches, they have interchangeable straps as well, meaning that these straps can be changed to different colours, you know, different fabrics, and they have them on the website, so obviously you can check them out. And there is also different size variants, which is obviously, like I said, another good bonus, because this for me is like the perfect size. They come in really nice packaging as well. It came in this box, just slide out in this box like this, so it's in a really nice packaging. That's always something I pick up on brands. If it's not in nice packaging, I'm like, what are you doing? And also underneath where the watch sits, you have all your warranties. It is a 24-month warranty with all the watches, which is a really nice thing to know. There's details of how to use it and everything in there. And basically within there as well, you also have something called an identification number. Now this is what you will need for the Giving Back program, which Nordgreen actually do. So you're probably thinking, what is this Giving Back program, like what is it all about? But let me just explain a little bit more info about this to you. So basically what happens is, when you do purchase the watch, you'll be given, like I said, this identification number, and all you need to do is go onto the website and find the Giving Back tab. And basically what happens is, when you go onto the Giving Back page, there is a space where you can put this identification number in. What basically happens is, every watch that's sold, you are then given the opportunity to give back. There is 3 different charities that you can give back to. So there is the Health, which provide clean water. We've partnered with Water for Good, so that when you purchase a watch, you give 2 months of clean water to one person in Central African Republic. The second is Environment, so it's protecting the rainforest. We've partnered with Cool Earth, so when you purchase a watch, you'll preserve 50 square meters of rainforest in Latin America. And the third one is Education, so we've partnered with Prefham UK, I might have said that wrong, so that when you buy a watch, you'll give 2 months of education to a child in India. I just think this is so amazing. So basically you can give back and choose one of those options when you purchase a watch. Yeah, I really wanted to share that with you, because I just thought that was just such a nice little touch to buying a watch, just knowing that you can be helping and doing your part too. So yeah, like I said, I will leave all the details to the watch in the description bar below, in case you do want to check the website out, what other watches they have available, or if you just simply want to purchase my watch. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on to the haul. So the first box, this is what it looks like. Honestly, the cutest packaging ever. As I've mentioned previously and all the time, you girls will know I just love a good packaged product. Also comes very nicely wrapped in tissue paper. So the first thing I picked up from House CB was something in their new in section. So this is brand sparkling new in. Yeah, it's just this beautiful black strappy bandage top. As you can see, it is just stunning. It's sort of knots at the front here. It's got a little cutout bit here, and then it's just got a strap at the bottom, and it also has a gorgeous gold zip on the back. House CB stuff is so well made. If you've never purchased anything from House CB, I will just tell you now that their quality is just beyond amazing. You might initially look on the website and think, wow, like £50 for a top or £80 for a pair of trousers, I'm not paying that. But guys, I can assure you the stuff is good. It definitely is reflected in the quality of the stuff. So I am a big believer sometimes what you pay for is what you get, and you definitely pay for what you get with House CB. Top is £59. So like I said, it's not the cheapest top, but my god, honestly, it's so well made. And I always feel, like I said, with House CB stuff, they just fit so good. Like, you can't get a better fit than House CB. I got mine in extra small just for reference in case you wanted to know what size I wear. And yeah, I just absolutely love that top. I think that would look so stunning with like a pair of white wide leg trousers. Okay, so on to the second box. Again, everything is all individually wrapped in tissue paper, which I love. So the next thing I picked up from House CB was this gorgeous taupe body suit. So I actually saw this on the website teamed with a skirt, which I will show you very shortly. And do you know when you just fall in love with how an outfit styled on the website? I was like, I need that outfit in my life. You guys know I'm going to Rome in a few weeks, and I just thought that'd be the perfect outfit for the evening in Rome. So yeah, the first item of that outfit is this gorgeous taupe body. Again, it's in a really gorgeous thick bandage fabric, such good quality. It's also a thong body as well, so no VPL, which is always an absolute bonus. This bodysuit was £69. But again, girls, the quality is just honestly so good. I love the scoop front as well, and it does have a scoop back. So yeah, obsessed with that. So to go with that body and what it was actually styled with on the website was this gorgeous rib skirt. This feels so like heavy and good quality. Do you know when you pick something up and you're like, oh my god, that feels so amazing? This honestly really does. So yeah, this is what the skirt looks like. So it just goes straight down, but then it's got this gorgeous little frill, which I just absolutely loved about this skirt. Just thought it gave it some really nice detailing, and I especially love the zip that just runs all the way through the back of the skirt as well. Just think that's a really nice classy feature to it. So again, this was £79. I got this in an extra small, and these two teamed together are honestly just gonna look absolutely stunning. So this is what the body and the skirt looks like teamed together. I'm not gonna lie, guys, the body was definitely a little bit too low of a scoop for me. I feel like my boobs was gonna pop out at any second. As you can see, I'm struggling there, and I keep like pulling it up because I'm scared of spilling out. But yeah, obviously I've not got the biggest boobs in the world anyway, so I don't actually know how this works for girls with bigger boobs. Maybe they upsize, but yeah, for me, definitely didn't feel that secure. So yeah, I didn't really love it. I do love it, but I just wish the scoop wasn't as low, if you get what I mean. But yeah, the skirt is amazing, fits like a dream. I just think for myself, I may get a different top to go with this skirt. A haul is never a haul on my channel without a co-ord or a two-piece. The next thing I picked up from CB was this gorgeous printed like floral two-piece. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the trousers. So again, they're in a beautiful silk fabric. The fabric is just, it feels so incredibly soft. Oh, I don't even know where they source their fabrics from, but they are just so good. Like, I'm always so impressed. I'm always so impressed with how they're made as well. Like, the stitching is so perfect. But yeah, so this is what the trousers look like, and they sort of go to the bottom with piping around the edge on the bottom, which I really like. They've got a drawstring, and they're also elasticated, so I feel like these will fit so stunning. Again, I got these in an extra small. These were £69. And then to go with that is just simply the matching shirt, which looks like this. Great thing about two pieces as well is that you don't have to wear them as a two-piece, so that can be one outfit teamed together, but then you can by all means just find like a gorgeous like cream ribbed bodysuit to go with this, and likewise with this you could just find a really just gorgeous pair of plain trousers to go with it. Always love to work my two pieces. You guys probably see on my Instagram when I upload pictures and stuff that I like to rework things and not just team them as two pieces. It's a great way to recycle outfits and wear something over and over again. That as well was £69. So the two piece in total was just under £140. Oh, this feels amazing. So I actually saw this next dress on the House CB advert. If you don't follow House CB on YouTube, go and check their YouTube out, because like every month they normally release sort of a lookbook for what they're going to be releasing during that month. I love checking them out. I love looking at those. I feel like they know how to do lookbooks. They know how to do a campaign. They're always so amazing. And in their, I don't know which campaign it was, not the newest one, but maybe the last one it was for the summer, they had this dress within that campaign, and when I saw it on the model I was like, hang on a second, that is amazing. That's stunning. The girl looked absolutely flawless, and yeah, I was like, I need to get my hands on that dress. And it is this beautiful, beautiful orange Bordeaux dress. It is honestly just so stunning. So this was £119. Again, I got everything in an extra small, so I'm just going to tell you that now before I'm like, yeah, I got it in extra small, got it in extra small. I do buy everything from House CB in an extra small, and normally the sizing is pretty spot on for me. I'm a 6 to 8 normally. I am more than a 6 and an 8, but yeah, all you need to know is I get an extra small. This dress is so stunning. Again, super good quality. On the Bordeaux bit here, because obviously it's like boob tube, it actually has that sort of plastic bit, you know, where it like grips onto your body here so it doesn't slip down, so it fits really nice and snug. Love the little sleeve detail. I just think that's so stunning. And yeah, it's in a beautiful colour. Again, also has a zip running right through the back of the dress, which I really like. I feel like this dress would be really perfect for like a summer wedding, even just a night out on the town with the guys. I think it's a really classy piece. So the next thing I got from House CB was another new in, and it is this gorgeous silk jumpsuit. Cast your eyes on this. So it's in like a beautiful champagne colour. It's long sleeve. It's a wide leg again, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. I always love jumpsuits in a wide leg. There's something about a wide leg jumpsuit that I just find so flattering. But it's in a size extra small again. It's £139. I'm not too sure on the fit of this, but I will obviously let you know when I try it on. I feel like with jumpsuits, they're so hit and miss with me just because I am 5'3", so they are obviously designed normally for like an average height, and I guess I'm not the average height. So yeah, sometimes they just fit me a little bit funny on this area, and it does look quite big in the body, so it might not fit me 100%, but I will let you know how it fits when I try it on, just so then you can judge with your height if this will be appropriate for you or not. First glance, this jumpsuit is honestly just so insane, so I love that. Gals, as you can see, this jumpsuit looks absolutely stunning on. The fit definitely is probably a little bit more for a taller person, just because the leg is quite long. It is going over my heel, so I feel like I would have to have this sort of altered or taken up. And also it is slightly long on the body, but to be honest with you, I don't think it is that bad. I feel like you could get away with that, but the only issue for me was that it was just slightly too long on the legs. But other than that, I really love this, and it is a super flattering jumpsuit. The last thing I picked up from House CB is a pair of trousers that I've honestly been after for the longest time ever. I swear they were out of stock, but anyway, they're back in stock, and they are these beautiful ribbed bandage fabric white wide leg trousers. Honestly, girls, I feel like everybody needs to own a pair of these in their wardrobe. White wide leg trousers for me is like a staple, like 100% a staple item in my wardrobe. I feel like you could dress them down for the day, dress them up for the evening. They're just something that goes with absolutely everything, and I feel like this pair in particular is just so stunning. Again, guys, quality wise, this is so amazing. Like, they're just such good quality. Let me just show you up close so you can see the fabric a little bit better if that focuses. But these honestly are just the most stunning pair of white trousers I think I've ever actually owned. I can't wait to style these. I've got so many ideas. £79. Again, I've got an extra small, and just obsessed with these. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this haul, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Honestly, definitely make sure you do check out House CB if you haven't already, because they are a lovely website. As I mentioned, they are more on the high-end spectrum of pricing, and I can appreciate that obviously they aren't the cheapest clothes, but if you have that special occasion, if it's your birthday, you know, or if you just fancy treating yourself, definitely just have a look on the website. Treat yourself, because I think sometimes it's really nice just to, you know, treat yourself to a really nice outfit, make yourself feel good. And not only that, it's just nice having those sort of like investment pieces in your wardrobe. Definitely check them out. I will leave the links to every single thing that I have mentioned in this haul. Really hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, then please remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe button. Also remember to enter my Primark giveaway, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.